This is an InfoSWM 2D model with a storage node, background information on parcels, load areas, soils, watersheds, RDII areas, population, etc. for generating dry weather flow. The storage node is a table of depth versus area that you can enter either directly or from a DEM using our curve generation tool in InfoSWM. A storage node could have evaporation at the top of the storage node. It can have infiltration using green amp infiltration. You run the simulation and you get a table of evaporation infiltration from the storage node, the percent full from the storage node, and basically what it tells you what the maximum outflow is and the maximum time of outflow. You can also get a graph of the depth, the head, the lateral inflow, the total inflow, and the volume in the storage node over time. So there's a lot of tools for looking at the storage node. Let's turn off the background picture, the ortho and the parcel. So we're turning off the background layers here one by one. And you can see there's a 2D mesh here. A storage node does not have a 2D connection. However, all the individual manholes, so if you do have an inlet, you can use a 2D connection from the manhole to the mesh. So what will happen here is water will be generated from the watersheds, go to the inlet, and then if it can't get into the subsurface area, it will then flow out of the manhole into the mesh area and go down. If it goes to a storage node, it doesn't have a 2D connection, but the storage node basically is assumed to be a 2D feature anyway, so we can also take account of that. So anyway, that's the basics, sort of the basics of the running a storage node in InfoSWM.